Most people who look like they're winning are actually drowning. They have the $800 car payment, the high-rise zip code, and the designer wardrobe, but if they miss 2 paychecks, their entire life would collapse. We've been sold a lie about what success looks like, and the worst part? A few specific, completely normal purchases are quietly trapping you at your desk for an extra 10 to 15 years. Today, we're exposing the 7 illusion purchases that feel like a reward but are actually stealing your youth. Let's make sure you aren't accidentally buying your own golden handcuffs. Item number 1, the brand new luxury car. There is no asset on earth that destroys momentum faster than a new vehicle. The moment you drive it off the lot, it loses roughly 20% of its value. Let's look at the math. A $60,000 luxury car with an $800 monthly payment doesn't just cost you $800 a month. If you took that same money and diverted it into a compounding index fund for just 5 years, it would grow to nearly $60,000. But if you leave that nest egg alone to compound for 25 years, that one car choice just cost you over $500,000 in retirement wealth. You aren't just buying leather seats, you are paying for them with years of your future time. Item 2, apartments they cannot actually afford. Next up is living in an apartment just for the zip code or the lobby aesthetic. It's incredibly common to see young professionals spending 40% or even 50% of their take-home pay on rent just to tell people they live downtown. Rent is a pure expense. When you overextend on a lease to look like you've made it, you completely wipe out your capacity to save a down payment for a real asset or to seed an investment portfolio. Living in a modest apartment for just 3 years while maximizing your savings creates a compounding foundation that buys you years of freedom down the road. Number 3 is a sensitive one, the expensive wedding. It's easy to get caught up in the emotional pressure of having a perfect day, especially when social media feeds dictate what a milestone celebration should look like. The average wedding now costs well over $30,000. Millions of couples start their marriage either in debt or with zero savings, all to throw a 6-hour party for acquaintances they might not even talk to in 5 years. Taking that same capital and putting it toward a down payment or an investment structure creates a financial runway that eliminates the number one cause of early marital stress, scarcity. Item number 4, designer items bought purely for status. There is a massive difference between buying high-quality, durable goods and buying a canvas bag just because it has a specific logo printed on it. The irony of luxury fashion is that it is heavily marketed to the middle class to help them project an image of wealth. Truly wealthy people usually practice quiet luxury, or frankly, don't care at all. When you spend $1,500 on a pair of shoes or a jacket to prove to strangers that you have money, you are literally giving away the very capital that could make you independent. Number 5 is a modern trap, constant expensive vacations used as an escape mechanism. Travel is incredible, but there is a distinct difference between traveling to explore the world and traveling because you dread your daily life. If you are funding 5-star trips on credit cards every few months because you need a break, you are trapped in a vicious cycle. You are spending money you don't have to get temporary relief from a career you can't afford to quit, because you keep spending money on the vacations. Break the loop. Use that capital to build a life you don't feel the need to constantly run away from. Item number 6 is death by 1,000 cuts, eating out daily and relying constantly on premium food delivery services. It seems insignificant, a $20 lunch here, a $40 dinner delivery there. But when you audit the bank statements of high-earning young professionals, it's not uncommon to see a $1,000 to $1,500 a month going entirely to convenience dining. That is a second rent payment. Convenience is a luxury, but when it becomes an unexamined daily habit, it silently erodes your financial margin.
Finally, item number 7, buying a home specifically to impress other people. This is the ultimate fake wealth trap, because society labels buying a massive house as the ultimate badge of responsibility. But buying too much house, rooms you don't use, yards you pay to maintain, and a mortgage that keeps you up at night is just real estate handcuffs. It forces you to stay in high-stress positions just to service the debt on a structure you only see on weekends. Buy the home that fits your actual lifestyle and utility, not your ego. Look, there is absolutely nothing wrong with driving a great car, staying at beautiful resorts, or dining well. The issue is order of operations. When you prioritize looking rich today, you practically guarantee you will be stressed tomorrow. True success isn't a logo, a car lease, or an oversized mortgage.
True success is waking up on a Tuesday morning and realizing that your time belongs entirely to you. Stop funding the illusion and start investing in your freedom.